Welcome back to Cloaked Creatives, where we share all fun health tips. Do you know your stomach is like a self-repairing superhero? And here's how it works. The stomach lining constantly produces acid, which is strong enough to dissolve metal. This acid is essential for breaking down food, but it could also damage the stomach itself. To protect you, the stomach replaces its lining every 3 to 5 days, like swapping out a worn-out superhero suit. Without this regeneration, your stomach would digest itself. Your stomach is just like that. It constantly changes its protective gloves, the lining, to keep things safe. This renewal happens quietly in the background, but it's a life-saving routine your body never forgets. Doesn't that make you appreciate your body's hidden talents? Do you know you can detect 1 trillion scents? Our sense of smell is an unsung hero of your sensory world. While it may seem like your nose just picks up strong odors like coffee, perfume, or fresh bread, the truth is far more incredible. Your nose can identify over 1 trillion unique scents. Hear how it works. Inside your nose, there are specialized olfactory receptors. Humans have about 400 different types, each capable of detecting a wide range of odor molecules. These receptors send signals to your brain, where these molecules are interpreted and categorized into distinct smells. Your taste buds pale in comparison to this olfactory power. While your tongue can distinguish only about 5 basic flavors, sweet, salty, bitter, sour, umami, your nose creates complex scent profiles, which explain why foods lose much of their flavor when you have a cold. Your ability to detect these scents helps with more than enjoying food. It can warn you of danger, like smoke from a fire, help you recognize people by their unique scent, and even influence your memory and emotions, a phenomenon called the Proust effect, where smells trigger vivid memories. Imagine walking into a bakery. The aroma of freshly baked bread hits you. Within seconds, your nose recognizes not just bread, but the subtle notes of yeast, butter, and even a hint of cinnamon from nearby pastries. While your conscious mind is just enjoying the smell, your nose is running a complex analysis, cataloging it all for future reference. This is why the smell of bread might remind you of childhood mornings in your grandma's kitchen. Your nose is more than a tool for sniffles. It's an intricate and powerful sensory machine that deserves some credit. Keep marveling at its abilities, and remember there's always more to learn about your body's hidden talents. Don't miss this fascinating journey into your senses. Like, share, and subscribe for more interesting facts to keep the curiosity flowing.